Hey there. Ready for more premium benefits or a higher credit limit? Upgrading your Amex card can unlock new rewards categories, lounge access, and bigger welcome bonuses. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to explore it. Log into your Amex account and look for Card Management or Upgrade Your Card options. You may see targeted upgrade offers with a points bonus for moving from, say, a gold card to a platinum card. You can also call the customer service number on the back of your card to inquire about upgrade options. They can tell you about any available offers and the associated annual fee change. My crucial pro tip? Ask if you're eligible for an upgrade offer with a bonus. Never upgrade without asking if there's a points incentive to do so. Also, confirm that the upgrade won't trigger a hard credit pull, as Amex typically does soft pulls for existing customers. That's how you level up your card membership strategically. Have you ever upgraded a credit card? What motivated you to do it? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on optimizing your credit profile, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.